Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video we are going to see how to prepare pepper rasam in 5 minutes. This pepper rasam is good for cough and cold. It improves the immunity power. In the mixie jar, add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 chopped tomato. Next add few curry leaves. Add 1 inch ginger, 5 to 6 garlic, and 1 chopped onion. Add little water and grind to fine paste. Add water step by step and grind it. Add 1 small gooseberry sized tamarind and grind it. Grind to fine paste like this. Switch on the stove, keep pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add few curry leaves. Add the ground paste. Add water. Totally I am adding 300 ml of water. Add 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Add few coriander leaves. Close the pan and boil for 5 minutes. See, it starts boiling. Close the pan. The pepper rasam is ready. Now switch off the stove. That's it. Tasty and healthy pepper rasam is ready. You can have with rice or directly you can drink. You can also try this pepper rasam at your home. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. You can prepare this rasam within 5 to 10 minutes. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. If you have any doubt, let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.